Hello and thank you for enrolling in the Ultimate Excel course, Beginner to Expert. This is going to be a quick introduction to things to know about this course so that you can get the most from it. Now, the first thing to know is to start at the best place for you. At the time of doing this video, this course is one of the largest, if not the largest, Excel course on Udemy. It's extremely comprehensive, and the first few videos may not be necessary for you depending what level you're starting at. The first few sections cover the beginnings of Excel formulas and essential skills like freezing panes, sorting and filtering, printing techniques. And you may want to start a little bit later than that depending on what level you're coming in on. Section 5 is really where the more intermediate level stuff begins, when we start with the if functions. And then it carries on through all of the essential skills of Excel and more that you do not usually find on other Excel courses. Your first thing to do is to go into the lesson after this and download the files to follow along. Every file that I've used in the lessons and my demonstrations is available for you to download so that you can follow along and practice with me. There are exercises at each section and I encourage you to involve yourself with them, because the best way of learning and retaining information is to get that hands-on practical approach, to write things down, to perform tasks. And these exercises will help to try and reinforce some of the key skills. And there's always going to be support from me. So you can post your questions into the Q&A area of the course, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. You can also message me directly. I'd prefer you to put it into the Q&A section so that other learners can see our interaction and maybe learn from your question as well, because they might be thinking it. But you can also contact me directly through the messaging system in Udemy, and I would love to hear from you, so please don't feel that you shouldn't be obliged to do so. Reach out. I'm happy to help with anything you need as we go through this course to reinforce your learning. I would like you to leave a review, if you don't mind. Udemy will contact you pretty soon in the course, a little bit early, and ask you for a review. Please leave an honest review. If there's anything you want to talk to me about, because I want you to get the best from this course. I want to create the best course possible, and any advice in doing so is welcome. And let's get on with it. Let's get involved with these lessons and start doing some Excel fun.